To create buildings with sloped roofs, we need to select the sketch we have created, and click on the residential buildings icon. We will have different coverage solutions to choose from, to meet every need. Automatic type, which means a pitch for each side of the building. Dual slope, single slope, and auto parapet, if we have a parapet. To make a building of this type, we need to use the automatic type. We have some parameters to enter: the height of the wall, the height of the roof, the offset of the wall, and the angle of inclination of the roof. If we enter the angle of the roof, the height of the roof will be adjusted to the angle entered. Leaving the angle at 0 degrees instead, the height of the roof inserted will be taken into account. By clicking on Create Building, we can see that the building is immediately created, following all the parameters we have entered. By setting the transparency, we can in fact check its dimensions by comparing them with the map below. In 3D mode, we can verify the entire construction. To make buildings with different shapes, we need once again to use the automatic typology. Exactly as before, we can check all the parameters entered and, if necessary, modify them. By clicking on Create Building, this will be immediately realized. We can compare it with the image below and, if necessary, we can always decide to modify the entered parameters. The building will be immediately adapted to the new dimensions. In the event that we need to build a building that does not have a slope on each side, as in this specific case, we should once again use the automatic type. In fact, we have the possibility to indicate whether there are any sides to be excluded, and their quantity. In this specific case, we indicate that we want to exclude one pitch. Select and create. We must now go and indicate which side we want to exclude. The building will be built immediately and the slope we have indicated to exclude will not be built. Let's now analyze a different type of coverage. In this case, we will have to use the dual slope type. Exactly as before, we have the ability to change all the parameters of the building, so that we can be as accurate as we want. By clicking on Create Building, the software will give us the possibility to indicate the inclination side of the roof, simply by clicking on the arrow corresponding to the slope side. Once again, the building will be instantly built, maintaining the entered parameters. Finally, let's analyze the single slope typology. Exactly as previously, we can intervene on the building parameters. Create building. Also in this case, we will have to indicate the inclination side of the pitch, as shown in the illustrative image. In 3D mode it will be easier to check the buildings created and appreciate their appearance. We have various modification options for all buildings made. We have the possibility to modify the wall material. We have the possibility to modify the type of coverage, choosing from the various types available. We also have the possibility to modify the material of the roof, choosing between tiles, tin, or sheath. Finally, we can go to insert dormers, where necessary. We can go to change the size and the type of dormer. In this case, by setting the transparency, we can see the presence of 2 dormers. We then select the corresponding dormer window, modify all the necessary parameters, then grab it and place it above the roof, at the point of our interest. We can of course select it and move it to our liking. We can decide to insert an offset around it. That is an area where we do not want the photovoltaic modules to be positioned. We can also return to change the dimensions of the dormer window at any time. In the same way, we also position the second dormer window above the roof. For each object inserted, the software gives us the possibility to activate and view the quotas. In this way we will know exactly where we have placed the object. If we have the correct distances, we can edit them and adapt them to reality.